Good afternoon. Myself, Dr. Sharna Mounty, GFGC Jevargi. In this video, learn about we will learn about the most important term in the mathematics, that is Cauchy's theorem in the complex integration. By named the theorem, one of the mathematician Augustin Louis Cauchy. He is a mathematician, lived between 1789 to 1857. He derived and he gave the statement or a definition as the Cauchy's integral theorem. The theorem is defined for the line or for the holomorphic function. In this holomorphic function, what do you mean by this holomorphic function? Means the line is defined for the same points along the functions. That is, the Cauchy's integral theorem we can define as the fundamental theorem. For this theorem, we can state as a defined or the statement of the definition only the simple way, that is the integral of c f of z dz is equal to 0. So what this integral of f of z dz is equal to 0 means, for any value or for all the points of a function, that is a function which is analytic at all the points within the closed contour or within the curve C, connected in a simple region of the domain, then we can say that the integral c f of z dz is equal to 0. In the simple way, we can explain the statement as, if f of z is analytic with the derivative into f dash of z, which is continuous at all the points inside and on the simple closed curve C, then we can say that the line integral C f of z dz is equal to 0. For the same, we will go for the proof, that is f of z is equal to u plus iv, where u and v are the functions of x and y. Z is equal to x plus iy, that implies dz is equal to dx plus I dy. The integral c f of z dz is equal to the integral of u plus iv into dx plus I dy. Multiplying the brackets, we will get u dx plus I v dx plus u dy minus v dy. On separating the real and imaginary parts, the integral c f of z dz is equal to the integral c u dx minus v dy plus I into the integral v dx plus u dy. According to the Green's theorem, we can state that if the point px comma y as well as qx comma y and the derivatives, partial derivatives dou q by dou x comma dou p by dou y are all continuous functions of x and y in the region D and C in any closed contour in a domain D, then we can say that the integral p dx plus q dy is equal to the statement according to the Green's theorem, that is the double line, the double integral of D q that is partial derivatives of dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y into dx into dy. Here the p dx plus q dy, p is equal to u and q is equal to minus v. So the integral c u dx plus minus of u dy is equal to the double integral d integral dou of v divided by dou x minus dou u divided by dou y into dx plus into dy. The double integral d minus of dou v divided by dou x plus dou v divided by dou x dx into dy. By the theorem, we know that dou u by dou y is equal to minus of dou v by dou x. Using that, dv by dx minus of dou v by dou x is cancelled and the value is equal to 0. Again the integral v dx plus u dy is equal to the integral d dou u by dou x minus dou v by dou y into dx dy. The same using the CR equation, we can say that the LHS is equal to 0. Substituting the two values of the integral u dx minus v dy as well as the integral c v dx plus u dy in the equation, that is the integral c f of z dz is equal to the integral c u dx minus v dy plus I into the integral c v dx plus u dy turned as 0 is 0 plus I 0, that the total is equal to 0. And the theorem, it is the integral f of z dz is equal to 0, that is for all the values within the function or on or within the counter d or counter c, we can say that the integral satisfies this the Cauchy's fundamental theorem.